Welcome back everybody, this is Henry with Guns, Games, and Gadgets channel. Today, we got us another gadget. We got us the DJI Spark. This is supposed to be unboxing video, but I wasn't expecting all this stuff to come with the, well, I was expecting it, but I thought it was all going to be in one box, one little package. So I had to take everything out and get it all sorted out and whatnot. So we're going to just open up one by one, so let's get this started, guys. Alright guys, well, we're going to open up the Spark and the controller, so let's get this started. Alrighty, well, this is what it looked like outside that big white box, so let's get this case open. I knew it was going to come with its own case and whatnot, so let's get this open. Alright guys, this is what it looked like, and it looks nice, so let me get out the box. And boom. Look at that. Just check that out. That, oh my god. It is so nice looking. The back of it. Everything. Small. Just like how I want it. Okay guys, I am back. I had to get everything sorted out and whatnot, so I can do the one by one unpackaging and whatnot. So this is what the controller look like. Like, it's gonna be hard to do, like, unfold it and stuff. You know what? Give me a second, guys. Okay, this is what it looked like, as you've seen in the opening there. But I'm gonna go into detail with it. Basically, if you ever get a Spark, make sure the antennas is always pointed like that, not straight, because that would not work. So, this is the clamps where your phone and an iPad or whatnot go in. I have a adapter, a tablet adapter, so I'm gonna hook that on there and show you guys what it look like. This video might be a little long, I don't know, but we'll see. So, these are right here. These are the propellers and stuff. I think it comes with a set and a half, I guess. Oh wait, you know what? Boom. I think that's a set right there. So let's get all this other stuff open up, guys, and let's just get into it. Okay, guys, it comes with a SanDisk 32GB SD card, a sun shader, some cleaning equipment to wipe off your screen or the lens on your drone or whatnot, and it comes with a USB card. Alright, comes with the tablet adapter. I don't know how I'm gonna get this on, but I'll figure it out. I bought this OGT cable. Basically, OGT cable help improve FPV and a little bit of range. You'll get a little bit increased range. I don't know, but I will be doing testing and whatnot, range tests and stuff when this winter breaks a little bit. And it comes with a little gimbal protector, and I will show you guys what this looks like right now. Alright, this is what it looks like, the gimbal, and it also protects the lens. So that's what it look like, and it's cool because when you're traveling, you won't have to worry about your gimbal messing up or whatnot, or your lens getting scratched up. These are the signal boosters right here, so it should improve your range by a lot. Comes with a helipad. I don't put taking all that out because I know it's going to be a pain to put back up. I don't know what the hell that is, so I will figure that out. Comes with a little FPV goggles. Basically you just slip your phone in there and you watch the video, your video from the goggles. Me personally, I won't be using this because I have a tablet. Last, it comes with a big ass case. It already has one, but it comes with another one. And let's open it up. And I hope you guys can see it. But hey, let me give you guys a better picture. Alright, that's a little better. Just a FYI, there's a lot of cons about this. You may get a lot of stuff, but I can see what some people was talking about in the reviews. I thought it came with 2 batteries. You only get 1. I don't even think it comes with a charger, to be honest. I don't know. I don't think it comes with its own charger. It does have a charger that you can plug into the drone, but I heard it takes a long time to charge up from there. So that's another con. The FPV goggles are probably useless. They could have replaced those with the charger. So there's some cons with this. I just now noticed all that. Like I thought it's going to come with its own damn charger. So I am a little frustrated about that. So they need to freaking include the charger for the battery can charge up fast. So the case looked nice and all. Everything looks nice. I just need to get some more batteries and the charger. So guys, just about sums it up. If I wanted to rate this, I would give it a 3.5 out of 5 stars due to the charger and the 1 battery. It'd be cool if it came with 2 batteries, but it is a starter bundle, so I'll give it 4 stars, to be fair. So if it had the charger, then it would have been 5 stars, but it doesn't have the DJI Spark charger. But if it somehow pop up, I will let you guys know in the comments below. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll be having some flight tests soon with this 1 battery. So I don't know how soon, so you just gotta stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I hope you guys stay safe. Oh yeah, if you have any comments below, leave them below. If I said already, I am a little frustrated, so you know, you get what you pay for. But guys, I hope you guys stay safe, and as always, have a nice day.